What's up, guys? It's what day is it? You ever had a day like that when you're somebody says, "Hey, what day is it?" and you're like, I'm not really sure. Actually, though, it is Tuesday. Now that I recall, it is Tuesday according to my weather thing on the phone. It is 32 degrees Celsius. I still don't know how to convert that, so take that as you will. Yummy spring rolls. You got fresh and fried here. Very nice. And of course the new pao. Those steamed buns filled with pork and eggs. Very delicious. There is going to be another post up soon on the Road to 1000 website. The links are down below. We're still sitting at 205, but I know we can get to 500 at least. I know the goal is, 1,000. That's the name, Road to 1000. And I didn't just make it that because it does sound better than Road to 500. Because it does. Road to 1000 just has a certain ring to it. But my initial goal, my first goal, because you got to do these things in steps, was to get to 500. And we don't have that far to go, really. Less than 300 to go, and we will be there. And that will be awesome. So if only 300 of you donate $1, we'll be there. $1 a month, 25 cents a week. And for that $1 at the 500 mark, we'll have 10 students that will be learning English, and it will not cost them anything. Won't cost them a dime. They won't have to worry about paying their bills or studying. That will already be taken care of. $1 shakes. You can't go wrong there. So yeah, the link is down below. And I think we can get there soon. Because I don't know anywhere else where just $1 a month can go towards the education of up to 20 people for free. Certainly not back where I come from. You would need thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars every month for education back in America. But this would just be $1 once a month. It's not even an automatic donation. Every month, like I said, I will be letting people know a few days before the next cycle, giving you time to get your donation in. This will also help alleviate a lot of issues with bringing people in at certain times and knowing exactly when the money's going to be there for the lessons, because part of that will go for printing costs and books, paper, all that good stuff. So if you can, click the link down below. Tell all your friends. Spread the links around. See if we can make this happen. It will just be good for planning and, like I said, getting organized better. Instead of having to start with 4 or 5 people like tomorrow, and then getting another donation or two and then having to bring in one more person. It would just be better if there was, I knew there was a minimum amount, if you know what I mean. All right, so people were asking about, well, somebody asked about prices if they wanted to move here and live over by Angkor Wat, closer to the, of course, the main temple. The big one, the world-renowned Angkor Wat. The biggest tourist attraction in Cambodia. And the good news is, you know, you would think because that is a huge tourist attraction that prices would be through the roof. But really that's not true because it's not in the city proper. It's a few kilometers outside of the city, and of course the further outside of the city you go to actually live, not visit, but if you're planning on living, apartments, you'll probably be able to find apartments cheaper than what they would be here in the city proper, the main part of the city. One bedroom, like I said, if you want a one bedroom where the bedroom is actually a separate room, like the bed is in a separate room, not in the main room, that's going to be a little bit more. That's considered an amenity because they're not available everywhere. So that might be $250 to $300 if you look around. A studio apartment that will come furnished and have a bed in it, even a bigger one, you can easily find those anywhere from $100 to $200 per month, plus your electric and sometimes water. So yeah, the further you go outside of town, the prices drop considerably for rent and even at the markets and everything. So you got something here, not sure what it is. But yeah, but also keep in mind that in some of the, you know, the further you get out of town, the less choices you have as far as shopping and other things are concerned. You can always grab a tuk-tuk into town, but your options will be limited to the local shops that are set up there, the stores and the markets, food stands and all that. You won't have as wide of a variety as you do here inside town or inside the town. So depending on your preferences, that might be a good choice. Just some things are not as important to you as others. Like I say, whenever I talk about finances over here, it's all up to the individual and how extravagantly they want to live or how cheaply they want to live. And while living cheaply may have its negative connotations with other foreigners, you know, oh, you're such a cheap Charlie for doing that. I don't see it that way. I think it's up to you as an individual to determine what your needs are. Live the way you want to live within the means that you have. And I don't think anybody should judge you for that because of your financial standing. You get enough of that back in the West. Certainly don't need to come over here and have it. We went out earlier to Samaki, the market. We didn't really do anything though. Usually about that time, it was like 1 o'clock when we went there. Usually about that time is when everybody's taking their afternoon siestas. Usually between 11 and 2 are really slow times at the markets. A lot of people take that midday break, and some of them would just lay there in the hammocks and sleep, cover up all their food and stuff, just take a nap. Others will just close up and leave, go do other things. Yeah, that's about all that's happening. I did want to mention that a new blog post will be up soon on the road to 1000. I wanted to get those questions out of the way. I'm sorry most of that portion was spent with me standing in one place, but you know, women, when they start talking, it's going to take a while. Still, it's a nice day for a walk. And as always, all my links are down below. Road to 1000 websites, Senglai's cooking YouTube channel, Khmer Cooking with Senglai is down there. My other YouTube channel, Make Money with Dave, is down there. And of course, all my social media links if you want to connect on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all that good stuff. And also keep in mind, if you do not, if you want to donate but don't feel like clicking over to a whole nother website to do so, there's a donate button down below. That all goes to the same place. So you can do it right from my YouTube channel, if you wish. We cut down all these branches here a while ago. Looks like they finished up. Of course, they were all overhanging those lines. So it's always a good thing when they tidy them up a bit. It's going to be exciting, man. I got people coming over here between now and December. A few of you actually are planning on coming over. I think around the 1st of next year, we could just have one great big meetup with everybody after everybody gets here and gets settled in. And have a big party. What do you say? Let me know in the comments. It sounds fun. We'll pick somewhere and meet up. Get some cheap grub, have a few drinks, and have some fun. All right. I guess I'm going to end this one here. We have no particular place to go. We're just out walking. And I'll be sure to grab some pictures and videos tomorrow of the class. And I think I know I'll post them on the Road to 1000 website, but I'll see if I can edit my next video and include them in here also for everybody to see. And of course on Facebook and Twitter and all that. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.